kopiemu ewo bongo mansinu emu abusumi bia enhyehyɛ ye oman ede agu akwa mu fa hosiesie ho no busumi ya hyase wo mo nso edibi ehyehyɛ so ewo mo mpotemu osane beye na hunidie mapa begina ne naso ewo ho.
Gana mampene His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na ni swade hunu kese paase ahonedie ho nsem ebetimi ama no homene so ewo man Ghana mum eno nti ewo na mamuomo no mahwe ayi edaba ko esi ho ewo bosumi bia ntem asa ahonedie ho nsem ebetimi ama no homene so ewo hoye National Sanitation Day ene so kopem ewo bongo mensini no mu a eno ewo etifin do apoye mantem ho no mo ena abankra chepani a wo ho no mo onimonyamfo Joseph Aba Akasake yade se woni wono mo ho no mo no wahwe akabomu ama National Sanitation Day no ene omde kwakopiem ewo Zorko dware mu asabre omahwe atitifi aprapra ho no musebeboa ama mampani ani swade hunu se ahonedie ho nsem betimi agina ne naso ewo manmu no sa enhyehye no ebetimi adimu eno nti omahwe ene emabuna hodo ho no makwakwa hodo omahwe akabomu ebiam nso assembly members ho no nso nyina akabomu amasabre omakwahwe ama honedie ho nsem atimi ama no homne so ewo ho na ewo dwumadie no ase no aban krachepani a ho no mo onimonyamfo Joseph Akasake Aba enso ekasaye ewo dwumadie na se empanifo mebre na ene kasaye yente wansema hodo a wode to Kantanka TV nsentwefo anim.
Thank my staff who have come to assist this cleanup exercise, the national director, the honorable assembly members, a lot of friends have come around to support. But in Zorko, the market women, which were expecting the attendance to be somehow far better than what we have seen today, is so sad that a few of them turn up. Despite the fact that they have locked their shops, they are not in the market selling. We don't know the reason why they do not turn up. And so that is why I gave that warning that we will send a team. We have tasked the area council, the chairman and his police assembly members to kindly do some kind of sensitization. And after that, we as assembly staff and the sanitation officers will follow up to monitor keenly what is happening.
This is the third time for the environmental cleaning exercise, the first day of the month. I think this exercise is a good exercise. It can promote health, it can promote the environmental cleanness, it also makes hygiene in our area. So I think Zorko, we actually appreciate on the effort that the government is putting to make sanitation should be neat.
Okay.
So there are challenges. What I observe is that the sanitation guide is supposed to. In the olden days, they said summer, when you come and your environment is not clean, they can query you.
To sensitize people to understand that cleanliness is very important and not necessarily waiting for even the first Saturday of the month, but that we should adapt it as part of it. That is the idea of this sanitation exercise. No, there cannot be any way without some challenge. So as we said, the attendance is what we have seen is not fully patronized.